Let me show you in this video how to make a landing page for any type of business or software company you're currently running. Now, the specific example I'm going to give you is from bumpups.com, which is an AI software that I'm currently developing. But this can be applied to any business. You're going to learn very fundamental skills when it comes to web development, front-end development, and just overall UI presentation of whatever you're providing, whether that's a business, product, or service. Let's get started here. We're going to start with the top fold, go all the way to the bottom of the footer, different pages, and go. Right off the bat here, we can see that when a user first approaches bumpups.com or your website, we need to tell them what's going on. First major thing you need to identify in H1, or the big bold text you see there, is who is this platform for? So let's make it very specific. This platform is for creators, editors, podcasters of every language. What do we just do there? We identified the three major target markets that we've identified are relevant to our software. Creators, editors, and podcasters. Who are they for you? And then for every language, we took away a possible barrier of conversion of someone that doesn't speak English, comes to our site, it's like, does this work in Spanish? Does this work in German? Yes. Therefore, what happens next here? Obviously, green banner. Typically, in these notification banners, you're going to use them in the context of either ethos or more information to lead a user to convert. Now, when I say convert in this context, I'm referring to a sign up. So first off, we want to funnel out people that aren't creators, editors, and podcasters from this platform because we have found that they don't convert as well past that. Begin, checkout, conversion, and actual sales. That's why the notification / banner bar here should be very specific. It should either give you ethos or it should just basically notate something better in reinstating why your value points are what they are / reinstating the ethos of your business. For example, we throw that BumpUps has raised funding from Google, one of our main consumers is YouTubers, to advance AI for content creation. Hit them right there. Understand the pain point. Following this, you got to give the value points or what you provide just right off the bat so the user doesn't have to scroll down for them. What's going on here? Tags, descriptions, timestamps, takeaways, bump AI for timestamps, descriptions, all in one click. Make it simple, make it easy. And then how do you send it home? How do you go to that plate, hit it a couple times and hit a home run? Give them something fast, typically in a different type of format. Notice how everything here is either image or text. So give them a video. Watch a 1-minute demo. Click this, right into it, get a 1-minute demo of all the value points that you provide the end user. And what is great about this is this does two things. First off, it quickly educates the consumer that was already going to convert. And second off, it makes people that would have signed up but not actually converted later on just not sign up at all because they're like, oh wait, I don't actually want to use this platform. Saves you on a sign up. And then obviously have your CTAs right there ready to go. Start free with email, sign up for Google. With any landing page, it's always great to show other users of the platform. Who is this guy? I don't know who Corbin Brown is, but it seems like a cool channel. Finally, more value points, just explain more in a text format. FAQ for any relevant questions. Simple, good to go. Therefore, the second most important page to have on a landing page or your website is going to be the pricing. How much does it cost for your service? As this is going to be a huge barrier to signups or new users because they just want to know how much this costs before they even want to entertain putting their email in. Therefore, take the time, create an in-depth pricing page. I mean, go as far as you want to go. But for example, what we do here is we create an entire chart showing the different value points we provide depending on the plan you choose, even as far as making it interactive in the sense of like, okay, well, if I want 400 credits, which is 400 upload minutes, I can start a free plan, proceed. Scroll down here, make the CTAs very attractive, create an account, start your free plan, like make it as limited amount of risk as possible to the end user because they don't want to sign up and be like, you know what's the worst? I'll tell you what's the worst. You go to a website and you're like, oh, this looks good. You hit sign up, you give them your email, and then the first thing they're prompted with is put in your credit card information to continue. Like, whoa, let's not do that. If you do that, make it very clear. But if you don't do that, then make it clear that there is no commitment, no credit card required, etc. Now, if you really want to get it so that the conversion rate goes higher, especially to give users that maybe are on the fence, provide free value just off top. So for us, what we do is we just give a free 60 minutes. See if you even like the platform. Sign up, use the 60 minutes. You like it? Okay. Keep coming for more minutes. You don't like it? All right. Avidazen. In your footer, obviously, provide more branding, provide your terms of service, privacy policy for anyone that is wondering about that for your software platform / business. And then finally, provide the pricing again and some form of a help center. A great help center that we use, OpenAI, and I think even maybe Zapier, is Intercom. Really great way to give a bunch of help articles in the context of questions that may arise through using your platform or business. Now, whether they click it through the landing page here, sign up, or alternatively, just click the sign up button, make it simple, give the value, 60 minutes free, answer an email, sign in with Google. That's it. You're in. Start going. As your platform keeps growing, there's obviously ways to better approach when it comes to getting more organic traffic to your website, having a blog section, having different topics being discussed that are relevant to your platform. This is relevant. But if you're just starting out / want to build out a landing page that is optimized for the event of signups and you want to get going here, you got to have your main homepage. Gotta have a good pricing page. Gotta have some type of help form so they know that if they sign up, they aren't just in the dark. Obviously, your legal relevant information is provided in the footer as well, and you're good to go. If you feel like you learned something, make sure you like. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next video. You trying to get a bump? You trying to get a bump up? Bump ups. 2 random videos. That's my face, and I'll see you in the next video.